Well, hey, all welcome. Let's check out these stainless steel plates. They were sent to me at no charge so I could check them out and share my thoughts with you. So let's first check the quality of the stainless steel. Now, the highest grade stainless steel will not attract a magnet. And as you can see, these are definitely restaurant quality stainless steel plates. The manufacturer advertises these as child's plates or toddler plates, but I got to tell you, they can be used in many more ways. For example, I use them to serve my older grandkids French fries and chicken nuggets. They are great for separating the fries, barbecue sauce, or ketchup. Plus, knowing that they're food grade, non-toxic, and BPA-free gives me a lot of peace of mind. They come in a set of 4 with 3 or 4 compartments, perfect for keeping food separated. They can also be used for packing lunches to on-the-go snacks. They're actually pretty versatile for the whole family, whether you're separating fruits or nuts for a party or putting out snacks for movie night. And because they are food-grade stainless steel, they are dishwasher safe. So if you're on the hunt for sturdy, safe, and practical kids' plates that can also be used for snacks, lunches, and leftovers, these stainless steel ones are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching.